So here we have a small doghouse for inside use or in a garage. It's made out of cedar. The roof is stained. It's done in shingles. It's supposed to be semi-rustic, barn style. There's stain on it here, but the sides there's no varnish yet or lacquer. That'll happen soon. But the client's still trying to make up their mind if they want to stain the whole thing or they want to go with a two-tone look. I personally prefer the two-tone, but the client has to decide. They spend any money, so they have the final say in it. So anybody interested in one, message me. Chance and Bhagwat on Facebook. Chance and Bhagwat on YouTube.